Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we on eye comfort mode in our Infinix phone, and guys how can you use your eye comfort mode setting in your Infinix phone. In this video guys I will show you guys. So before starting video and first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So then first of all we will on our phone setting to on guys our eye comfort mode, then guys scroll it. Then you can see your display and brightness setting. Friends, tap here. Guys, click on your eye care mode setting, means eye comfort mode guys. You want to on guys, you can on from this here, turn on now. Eye comfort mode setting as you can see and may helps you fall asleep more easily. And guys, you can see schedule option you want to use, so you can use. Guys, you can see your eye care with eye comfort mode brightness setting as you want to decrease, you want to increase guys, you can set your, you can customize yourself according to yourself guys. So is your eye comfort mode will on in our Infinix phone, and guys you can see your eye comfort mode setting guys screen color will change. So when you operate phone at night and guys when you study on phone at night, so you should on your eye comfort mode, then guys you can operate your phone easily. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video. Bye friends.